Welcome to MHD, the world's largest training resource for hairdressers and barbers. Whether you're an educator, a salon owner, a stylist, or a student, you've picked an exciting time to become an MHD member. Watch this short video to discover how to use MHD's platform to achieve a competitive advantage for you or your business. What is MHD? The result of a £5 million investment over the last decade. MHD is a unique blended e-learning platform featuring more than 500 high-quality hairdressing and barbering tutorials across nearly 50 categories from over 70 globally acclaimed instructors. What makes MHD different from other e-learning platforms? This question can be simply answered with just one word: quality. Shot from 3 camera angles, our exceptional training videos are simply not comparable to anything you've come across before. We're the only online resource to offer such a wide and exciting range of educators on one platform. Our categories and subcategories are designed to help you find exactly what you need as quickly as possible. How will MHD help you achieve a competitive advantage? MHD's playlist functionality allows you to pick the exact lessons you need to create bespoke learning pathways, filling key salon skills gaps or honing in on your own areas of interest. Videos cover every discipline and experience level, empowering users to build skills or become specialists in niche areas. MHD adds real value to your organization. Plus, access to our unique platform is incredibly affordable and cost-effective. As an educator, you won't need to purchase multiple resources to support the delivery of your training or struggle to fill gaps in key scientific and skill development areas. As a salon owner, investing in your team will boost staff retention and give you the power to increase profitability by enhancing services. As a stylist or student, you'll learn independently and embed new techniques. It's time to take control of your training with MHD. Remember, if you have any questions at all, we'd love to help. Just visit our support centre and raise a ticket and we'll be in touch.